But, as we've been reporting, the CDC has issued new guidance for mask wearing. Even the vaccinated people should go back to wearing masks indoors in places where COVID-19 is surging, like in Mississippi.
Exactly, and all students should wear masks inside school this fall. All students. It's a departure from previous recommendations, and joining us to talk about it all is Dr. Timothy Quinn. Dr. Quinn, always good to have you with us. Thank you for being here.
Thanks for having me.
There are two big points. We should tackle them, I think, one at a time. First, the school recommendation recommending all kids wear masks in schools. How much at risk are young people from this Delta variant?
I mean, we're seeing it right now. Our hospitals in the state of Mississippi and throughout the United States, they're getting more and more admissions from young people, including children. And a lot of these children are getting more sick than before. And a great deal of this is due to this Delta variant. The science is undeniably showing that it's much more infectious, and for children, they're getting more sick. So this is good guidance, and we really have to put safety before everything, especially when it comes to our children.
Dr. Quinn, now even vaccinated people are recommended to wear masks indoors in some parts of the United States, including almost all of Mississippi. Will this control the spread?
Well, it'll definitely help, because the science is based on data, and the data has shown that people taking the measures of wearing masks, social distancing, following all the protocols, it actually works. It helps a great deal. And I just want to give you some numbers from a case in a study in Israel, where it showed that with this new Delta variant, which is 80% of cases right now, greater than 80%, it showed a 39% effective rate from the Pfizer vaccine. Now, note 39% with this Delta variant from people getting infected with the coronavirus. But early on with the earlier variants, we're looking at 95% effective. So that's less than half effective. But also note, now for the good news, it's still 90% effective from people getting severely sick or losing their lives. So with this new Delta variant, even if you've been vaccinated, you can still contract coronavirus. But the good news is, if you do contract it, you can still fight it off, and you have a better chance of not losing your life. So the message is, still get vaccinated, but know that you can contract coronavirus.
Dr. Quinn, we know masks, vaccines have all been very divisive issues. Do you feel this will be controversial?
Most definitely. It will be controversial, but our job in the medical field and all the other research scientists is to just provide the community with the facts and the data. And the data is overwhelmingly showing that three things are happening. And these three things are very evident. Number one, the infection rates, the hospitalization, and the deaths are up. Number two, greater than 80% of these cases are due to the Delta variant. And as I said before, the Delta variant is much more infectious, and it can evade some of the measures that we've taken, such as getting vaccinated. And number three, we're seeing more breakthrough cases, people that have been vaccinated and now they're still contracting this Delta variant. So these three factors are just raw data that say that the benefits of wearing these masks outweigh the risk, and the risk right now are increasing deaths, and I think that's undebatable.
All right. Dr. Timothy Quinn, thank you so much for being with us this afternoon.